You want your kids to have fun, but that fun comes to a screeching halt if they get hurt. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, bicycle accidents are one of the most frequent causes of injury-related death for young children. But as Rod Starnes explains, when your children are on two wheels, a properly fitted bicycle helmet is the best way to protect your child's health.
A couple of years ago, Lacey Loft went bike riding with her brother Matt and their parents. But it wasn't a smooth ride, and Lacey went tumbling over the handlebars, landing face first on the ground. It's an experience her mom could have done without.
She did have a helmet on, thank goodness. She hit this part of her head first. It did crack her helmet, and she did hit her mouth. She's lost a permanent tooth. She has 5 caps on her permanent teeth. She has braces in her mouth now, but she's alive because she had a helmet on her head.
If you have a child younger than 16 in Tennessee, state law says he or she has to wear a helmet. And if you're still not convinced a helmet makes that much difference, here's what Karen Malagorski, General Manager of Bikes Plus, says.
A lot of science behind that. They do a lot of impact tests, and most impacts are generally right about here.
When shopping for helmets for your kids, there are several things to look for. First, they should meet government safety standards. Look for a Consumer Product Safety Commission sticker on the helmet, and make sure that any helmet your child uses fits properly.
Actually, all the helmets that we carry have a cranium support even on the base model that is adjustable, that without the straps being fastened, they fit on your head firm and parallel to your head, which makes for a good fit, no movement when you're riding.
Kids grow and grow out of their helmets, so it's important to replace a helmet if it gets too small to fit properly. It's also a good idea to think about replacing helmets if you've had them more than 3 years. The styrofoam can break down and the helmet might not hold up in an accident. Any helmet should be replaced after it's been in an accident.
Even if it's a minor spill, because you don't know if there's a hairline fracture going down, and they're designed for one use.
Getting kids into the habit of helmet wearing early helps them get used to the idea of having a helmet on every time they ride. Both Lacey and Matt have worn helmets since they learned how to ride, so they don't know any other way. If you ride, you should always wear a helmet too. It'll set a good example for your kids. Knowing your kids have their helmets on when they ride could bring you some peace of mind.
You have to wear a helmet, and it's a safety issue. It's their life.
So for an investment as little as $25 to $45, you can make sure your kids are protected when they're pedaling. For Smart Medicine, I'm Rod Starnes.